All right, guys, so I'm replying to Cosmic's comment about explaining this in layman's terms, right? And I'm sorry I don't do this all the time. I will do this more often. So what I was saying if you go back to the video that this comment is commented on, it's talking about what is going to happen or what I think is going to happen with the price action. What I was saying is that when you are looking at a chart, the chart is filled with green and red candles. If you're a beginner, you'll see green and red candles on the chart. There's different time frames that you can look at. And the green and red candles, they create patterns. We have been there's a bullish pattern, which is a positive pattern, means we're going up. Bearish pattern means we're going down. We have been in a bullish pattern on Bitcoin, which means we're headed up for a very long time. We've been in a triangle pattern that is pointed down. And that is a bull flag or a bull pennant, depending on how you draw it. Once it breaks out of the top trend line of where those candles hit multiple times, once it breaks out of there, there is a target that you can calculate from the pattern that shows you where that price action is going to go. And so we've broken out of the bull pattern. And so now we are sitting around the trend line on the bottom. And what I was saying is that what I think is going to happen is that we've broken out of it. And I don't think we're going directly to the target, although we could. And I'm not perfect, and this is not financial advice. What I think will happen is that we're going to actually come down to the trend line. A lot of the time when price action breaks out of a bullish or bearish pattern, it wants to come back to the trend line after it breaks out to make sure that that trend line is either support or resistance. And in this case, it's testing it to make sure that it's support. Once it retests it and it comes back down and tests that top trend line, we can now move up to the upside. My target is 132K. That is the target of the bull pennant or the bull flag. And I believe we're headed up there, but I do think that there's a retest. Some of the alts are looking the same. They're looking like they are in a bullish pattern. I think they're going to try to explode out of that pattern, maybe come back and retest and then go. I hope that was broken down enough for you, Cosmic, and everyone else. Again, I will try to do these more often, and I'll try to break it down a little bit in simpler terms. Thank you so much. Please follow me for more crypto news, updates, breakdowns, and chart analysis.